Hello everyone, I'm Yanbo from JuChain Faucet. Today I will be showing you the Jutube Ep3 how to receive JuChain's testnet tokens. So after Ep2, we teach you how to edit the JuChain into the wallet. So this episode I will be teach you how to receive JuChain's testnet tokens. Because like if you want to write a contract, you need to get some testnet tokens first, because you need to test the contract with the testnet token and how to receive and to use the testnet token to test contract, and we get the contract with the public chain. So that's why I prefer you to know how to receive the JuChain testnet token. So let's start with so first you need to open the JuChain global website, and firstly you need to go to Faucet, open it, and you will be find this one, and open the wallet, copy the address and copy here. And now you need to get the test token. So just click get it now and finish. You just receive successfully with the test token, and just open the wallet and see the testnet token is 0.6. Just so easily. So when you finish get the testnet token, you can try to write some contract with the IDE, and with next episode I will be told you how to do that. So that's all. So if you have any question, you can join in our community with the Discord and Telegram. And if you want to subscribe our social media, you can subscribe our Twitter Chinese and Twitter English. So thanks for everybody.